Okay, like your crash, fixed it up a little bit, let's see if it flies. I can't find the fucker. Oh, my arms hurt. I can't do it, man. It's all over the fucking place. It's a nice one. You don't get a good flight out of it, I'll tell you that now.
Are you trying to keep up with it?
Yeah. I ain't trying to. It ain't barely getting in. I know. It's all over the place. I can't predict where it's going.
No, you got that sky in the picture. It don't matter. Right for this. Oh.